pero hindi pa rin nakakaya. Hit control, eh yun nga po, pinapasok na sa pero hindi pa rin. Wall pa sa narinig, wala silang magagawa kung nakihintay yung mag-clean out ang wall message or may goal sa suway o sa bahay. And we have sumilip na lang isa, nakatago pa, Marco against Bron.
From the sky.
Falling from the sky, nahulog na.
Now it's a 3v3. I think they're going for a little pause here, but look at the time. They only have 40 seconds left to plant. Inikot na si Cypher.
Going straight. Tinitignan na lang natin kung kakayanin na with the speaker. Lalabanin pa ba niya? O hindi. Tatago na lang ba siya? O push na lang user. Hey, going to the ID. Nasa ID mo.
Recently again with that charge.
Parang nabot the battle at nag-flex ng kanyang life. Sana all at we are here. Battle, shots fired here at Garage. Yeah, direction of field in heaven. Silence the kill. From run. Tinabol na niya pupunta ng heaven. At nawapa na ito.
Friendly, release yung showstopper niya. Hindi para makukuha ng kill, para masecure yung rest. Sa nila, tinig. Parang sinetup niya yung showstopper para makasecure na rest na wala.
Para sa akin, nakikita ko na good things nila. M2 might win for a good switch mamaya. So makikita na natin dito sa alam mo, nakita na natin ang skill, which is one of our favorites. Nakita na natin ang SL, which is one of the golden project fans. And right now, gusto ko makita alam mo ano? Ice box.
Gusto ko mahulog. I believe that parang ano yung sila.
I believe that in life.
Let's go, Gina!
Sa kanyang part, no? Kills. Isa, side, no? Very effective kanina nakita nga natin ilang beses na na-trip ang ating Sweet Cara against mga setups ni
Oo nga. Kanina nga rin gusto kong makakita ng anti-jet. Gusto kong mag-dash yung jet na sa
Hindi siya na Spider-Man.
Oo, yung anti-jet strike.
PLDT.
Tama, and we will have another performance soon from one of our FIFA performers. Hindi na natin sila kanina maglaro ng Valorant. Now it's their time to go. Oh, yeah.
Their time to shine.
Yeah, their time to shine. Nakita niyo sila kanina. Bumabalik pa rin sila. Maybe they're really good.
Nakita na natin tumutok, nakita na natin bumaril. Of course, makikita natin mamaya to perform. Ayun na nga po, another Nakawin daw. Yes, let's go!
Hindi ngayon yung nagpanalo sa kanila doon sa round.
Yung sa
Kasi
round na yun?
naka-6 naman yung ano.
Nakita ko kanina yun.
Naka-6 yung week share.
Sobrang proud ako pa rin nun sa nangyari. No?
Oo.
So yun na nga po, no, mga kaibigan. Since nandito na nga rin tayo at we have so many activations here, left and right, punta lang kayo sa Boomtown Pilipinas Live if gusto mo magkaroon ng good merchandise, good souvenirs, and of course, para makalaro kayo sa kanilang violation, meron tayong Panglason, PCE Express, and of course, meron tayo dito 4D The Blitz and Switch 2 coming in from Toynindam para sa inyo. Of course, meron din tayo dito ang Yoda. May Yoda sa likod.
Yoda namin dito.
Ulat ako dun May Yoda. Ayan, Batman and si Boost.
Batman and Foster nandito sila. Nandito rin si Nobody.
Yes,
Nobody
Nobody's here.
Nandito rin ang Edward Carey.
Yes, kompleto sila.
And later, we're gonna have a best of 3 between Horn and M2TC2.
Best. Yes.
Na Team Horde.
Yes, of course, dahil nga sa scheduling conflict.
Yeah, due to scheduling conflicts. May dalawang sub ang Team Horde, but mainit-init pa rin to.
Na ng sub, of course,
It is Team Horde.
2 and also Team Board, di ba?
Yes, I did.
Sa tingin mo, sino mananalo?
Actually, from what I've seen, napaka-solid ng both teams, especially with, I don't know what his name is, pero yung in-game name niya is Ryusun Jen. Him on that Reyna with that what is it? The judge.
Judge?
With the judge, he always got the timings. He would push the smokes, but he will come out victorious. And I do.
Isipin mo, no? 80% of the battle, Reyna,
Naka-judge na.
naka-judge.
Naka-judge.
Isipin mo yun, ha?
And he
Paano
wins.
maglalaban ng close combat?
Yeah, and he keeps winning, and he was MVP in that.
Advantages from both
Yes.
teams, no? Pagdating sa Team Horde naman kasi, they are very much well cooperated.
Yeah, team plays talaga.
Team plays talaga.
And individual picking, individual chances.
Siyempre, mabilis ang pag-rotate, mabilis ang pag-defend, mabilis ang pag-retake. Yun ang kakalabanin nila sa Team Horde, which is, of course, Team Horde naman is kaya nilang iset ang sarili nila kahit wala man silang kakampi. Kaya nilang gawin ito, magsarili.
But the advantage, since wala na yung dalawa sa kanila, and I got to talk to a few members of Team Horde a while ago, I asked them,
Press W, diretso.
press W, barel, barel.
Barel, of course, we have Doji. And of course, ang ating bago naman, si
Sephiroth.
Sephiroth
Oh
Sword
my God.
57. Ang mahabang buhok, ang magaling bumaril.
The silver.
The silver hair guardian is here. Oh,
Map, after this bind, they still have wonderful teleport plays, hopefully.
yes, and speaking of bind, ay sana makita natin ang mahiwagang place kagaya ng
Another agent that I would like to see here is that Gecko, since that blind is so valuable. And of course, pag nasend mo na si Wingman, magpa-plan na lang siya sa'yo, busy ka na, magbarel.
That's right, of course, konting dizzy, konting wish na
The attackers will really set that pace kung gusto nila lang mabilis. And we see here nga na the attacking team is fourth. And we saw a while ago that their attacking side was very explosive, very fast. W gaming nga, ika nga.
well, of course, dahil nga ba ito, no, medyo fresh takes atin muna. It's a standstill. Parang, uy, ano yan? Bakit pinabas mo? Oh,
Man! Eto na nga. Ay, I think we're gonna have a small tech pause kasi si Sai.
yes, I also disconnect that. And rebuild the event. Sorry. Very hindi na ako na I have a difficulty, pero nonetheless po, tuloy pa rin ang laban. Pero yun na nga, we're going to have a result of the answer later kung rematch ba.
Nakuha ko sa si Brown.
Wala si Brown.
Roy over there. But it looks like the technical
Yes. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging result. Let's wait for our
sabi ko sa'yo, pwede mag-time travel.
topic ng time travel na ano.
Oo.
Ano ba?
Oh.
Si Cypher.
Oh.
Favorite ko yan.
Bakit?
Kasi every time naglalaro ako ng Valorant, I'm going like blind and random. Word coming from our team. Looks like we're going to have a reset of the game. Pero si agents pa din as per SM North and of course as per our technical team. So lahat po nag-agree and we're going to have
So, it looks like they're waiting for that.
Ay, yan na nga po!
Attackers win.
Joke lang po, practice lang.
Nag-surrender na po ang defender.
Isarap po natin ang mga kaibigan. That's a good practice.
Tapos sa zero.
That's a good skill. Pero ayun na nga po na dahil tutuloy natin ang laban ngayon. Makikita natin yan kung anong klase nga laban. And coming in from our attacking here. Pero of course, sabi yung okay, sorry now. Masyado daw kasi time out ang ginagawa muli. Masyado daw kasi mainit yung ano naman. Kaya medyo
Sorry daw. Diba?
charges.
Hindi naman ako nangyayari.
Yes, okay daw po. Tuloy ang laban, tuloy ang
Defenders win. Look at this wreckage. I'm so...
Good activity, Ang imbalance na
si Miro. Sobrang on board.
si Miro
Yes, sobrang si Rio. Pero sinasagot siya kanina. Sabi niya, di namin ginawa nila. Thanks kayo sa kalaban sa
Ito na ang US fight number Pipa Girl Group mula sa Pink Music.
Binuo sa Sima, second chances at double victory. Ngayong gabi, ipapakilala nila ang sarili nila sa debut single. Tula! Tula! Tina! Audrey! Jean! Ayaka! Mariel! And Angelica! Sila ang Wing!
Hi everyone! We are Wig! I'm Audrey. I'm Jean. I'm Marielle. I'm Angelica. I'm Ayaka. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng nagsusupport sa amin. Hello sa aming Wing Kids! And syempre, thank you so much Northern Playground and SM North EDSA. And we hope na masuportahan niyo kami sa aming social media accounts. Yes, please follow us po sa aming social media accounts at WingPH spelled as VVINKPH. And you can also stream our debut single sa lahat ng digital streaming platforms and titled Tulala, which is yung pinerform po namin. Kahit nagkabilok ako, pero okay lang. First ever Monster Races, nag-debut po kami with Tulala. So sabayan niyo kami sa Thank you po! Thank you po! Thank you po!
Kaya nga kasi ako sa likod dito na sila lang.
Of that first match.
Naku, sobrang matalo. Napakita nga na M2 na pinakay nila yung laban against Team World.
Especially with that beginning. After yung reset kanina, napaka-close ng laban.
May ano kanilang next tactic, coming in hot from the enemy. And of course, tingnan natin kung anong klase ng map ang kanyang pipili.
Or will we have a repeat of a set? Since Team Word ang nanalo, we are going to pick the next match.
Saan ba?
I'm not sure. Wala sa rotation. I don't really like playing this. Kasi this is a very, very big match.
That is true. And of course, tingnan na lang natin. Pero, speaking of pala, no, kanina, sa ating playoffs against Team Void. Ano nakita mong parang tactical to? Here, nakita ko ang action. Here, nakita ko ang struggle. At here, nakita ko
Yes, I think every round napapakapihan lang ako sa inyo ganyan. Kasi hindi ko na alam kung sino nanalo talaga.
ka dyan. Sobrang intense ang laban. Pero, watch this! Oh my God! It's heaven! Ay, pala sa niloloko mo naman ako.
Even pala, we're gonna have a three-side plan. I said,
The three side to plan. Yan, that's
Para sa akin, to finish off,
Switching sides.
it is
That recharge.
yes, 1 to win, and it's a match point. 2 more wins, and 4 takes this.
Match point. Strong buddy out. Attackers win.
Gusto lang nilang mag-win.
Tama. Kaya yung mga ano, once again, congratulations for winning Pagano.
Beautiful Valorant today. I wasn't expecting this level of Valorant from the Pilipinas.
Kanyang track record. At of course, kanina, Roblox also had good games against
I really like the fact na si Bronwyn na with the util side over to the B side. Siya yung magsasalo kapag nakuha yung util ni Cyber there. Siya usually yung makikita mo sa field na naka-field with the Cyber.
That's right. Dahil sa ating as well, national news programs mo kung saan-saan.
And also yung si I really enjoyed watching this kasi the balls weren't just there, the usual balls na nakita natin.